Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about comments in Python. So why we require comments in any programming language? So we require those comments to understand what has been done before and to understand what is actually there in the below block of statements, or what is the code doing, means what input we are providing, what output we are getting. All those details can be received with the help of comments. So comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments can be used to make the code more readable. Comment starts with a hash. So this is the symbol with the help of which the comment starts in a Python. So see, this is our statement print hello world. So this is the comment which says this is a comment, and it says additional information what is this print statement is doing. So it is always a good practice to provide the comments in your code when your code is very large, like the number of lines in that particular file are many more. Then you can always make use of comments to understand what that particular block of statement is performing. So multi-line comments in another programming languages like C++ and Java, there are multi-line comments, but in Python we do not have a syntax for multi-line comments. So to add a multi-line comments, you could insert a same symbol for each line. Let me show you. So in this way, like this is a, if you want to insert multiple lines, this is a comment written in more than just one line. So in this way you can provide the multi-line comments. So let me show you in code how we can make use of this Python comments. So in one of our video we had covered about this code in which we were asking the user to provide how many elements to enter in a list. We were having one empty list, and in that list we were taking the input from the user, and after that we were trying to print that particular list here, and after that we were asking the user to enter value to remove, then we were removing that particular value, and then again we were printing the list. So now I know I have written this code, so I know the details what it is doing. But if someone tries to open this code, so he will not understand immediately, right? So you need to provide comments. So let's say I provide here one comment. So you need to provide this symbol and say this is empty list. So this is empty list. After that, what you can say, your number is what it is doing, it is accepting the size of list, right? So you can provide your comment accepting size of list. So the reader will know what this variable is doing. After that, the for loop is starting. So what this for loop is doing, this is for loop. So I will provide a multi-line comments. So I will again say comment accepting input in list. So this for loop is accepting the input in list. So for loop gets completed here, and then again I am printing that for loop, right? So I can again comment here like showing the list. So in this way you can make use of these comments. So it does not have any impact to while the execution of code, it just to understand the user what has been done in this code. So in this way you can provide the comments, multi-line comments as well as single line comments in Python. So that's it in this video. We will cover another topics in next video. Thank you for watching.